Corporate treasuries, aggressive non-crypto buyers. These traditional business and technology firms actively purchase Bitcoin on the open market or through capital raises to hold as a primary reserve asset. These are in no particular order. MicroStrategy Incorporated holds over 1% of the total circulating Bitcoin supply, but not for much longer, remaining the world's largest public corporate buyer. Metaplanet Inc., often dubbed the Asian MicroStrategy. That term is not politically correct. This Tokyo-listed firm aggressively purchases BTC to cushion macroeconomic shifts. Block, Jack Dorsey's financial services firm, regularly accumulates Bitcoin for its corporate reserves and integration into Cash App. Tesla Inc. keeps a substantial digital asset position on its balance sheet from historical purchasing rounds. GameStop Corp. holds a corporate treasury position of roughly 4,710 Bitcoin. Boya Interactive International, an online gaming company that has scaled its public allocations to thousands of Bitcoin. Bitcoin Standard Treasury Company, a specialized entity structuring its launch with major upfront capital allocations directly into Bitcoin. 21 Capital, 21, an investment vehicle aggressively pooling and validating large-scale Bitcoin purchases. In this video, I am trying to let you know how big this market is going to get, but no one is listening, except you. Remix Point, a Japanese conglomerate expanding multi-million-dollar corporate cash reserve allocations into Bitcoin. Alliance Resource Partners, a traditional energy provider diversifying its balance sheet through corporate digital holdings. Institutional asset managers and spot ETF issuers. Following structural approvals, these institutional powerhouses are the largest net buyers of physical spot Bitcoin to back their investment products. BlackRock, iShares Bitcoin Trust, orchestrates massive daily buy-side volume to facilitate institutional inflows into its flagship fund. The vampires are here, where garlic and salt. Fidelity Investments, Wise Origin, procures and self-custodies substantial volumes of Bitcoin for its standard retail and retirement fund options. Grayscale Investments manages massive pooled vehicle supplies via products like the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. ARK Invest, 21 Shares, regularly acquires spot assets proportional to user demand across managed exchange-traded funds. We love Cathie Wood. Bitwise Asset Management operates index funds requiring routine underlying crypto asset accumulation. Morgan Stanley manages trust access and structured Bitcoin ETPs for wealth management clients. VanEck, a long-standing asset provider maintaining direct spot acquisition schedules for its crypto trust assets. Invesco/Galaxy Digital runs partnered physical Bitcoin operations, forcing consistent underlying market liquidity absorption. Franklin Templeton uses global market desks to continuously execute direct digital asset trades. WisdomTree acquires and holds underlying physical crypto backing to service European and U.S. institutional accounts. Industrial Bitcoin miners. These firms generate new Bitcoin directly via heavy infrastructure development, frequently operating on a HODL, aka hold on for dear life, strategy where they retain minded block rewards rather than selling. Mara Holdings, formerly Marathon Digital, operates one of the largest infrastructure-based treasuries globally. Hut 8 Corp. combines data center computational power with a multi-thousand Bitcoin corporate asset base. CleanSpark Inc. focuses heavily on sustainable infrastructure while systematically holding its mined yield. Riot Platforms expands heavy industrial operations while building out long-term balance sheet reserves. Cipher Mining builds industrial-scale data facilities that feed directly into commercial treasury holdings. Bitfarms Limited runs multinational mining facilities that systematically build a foundational crypto base. Core Scientific manages massive data center co-location sites alongside proprietary holdings. Hive Digital Technologies transitions heavy computer arrays to retain strategic portions of mined digital infrastructure blocks. BitFuFu Inc., very odd name, houses decentralized computing power structures that consistently generate corporate digital capital. Iris Energy, I love that name, drives green energy data infrastructure that captures and yields direct spot token asset equity. Major custodians, exchanges, and brokerages. These services process the highest collective consumer purchasing volumes worldwide, buying and holding massive blocks inside operational cold storage to back user account balances. Binance anchors global liquidity pools as the world's largest platform by pure daily spot trading volume. Coinbase Global, Inc. acts as the primary corporate custodian for most major Wall Street ETF issuers while holding proprietary inventory. Robinhood Markets accumulates massive customer pools via commission-free retail crypto accounts. OKX services massive trade demands globally, anchoring billions in user and structural cold vault storage. Kraken, one of the longest-running operational venues executing institutional and retail spot volume. Bybit captures vast chunks of global derivatives and spot market purchasing demands. BitGo Holdings acts as a massive, secure, specialized custodian facilitating large institutional OTC desk acquisitions. Upbit operates as the dominant gateway across East Asian financial markets for systematic fiat-to-crypto purchasing. River Financial, a specialized, Bitcoin-only financial service catering to high-net-worth individuals, what I think they mean is snobs, and corporate treasury setups. Anchorage Digital runs a federally chartered digital asset bank executing large corporate purchases under strict regulatory compliance. There you have it, over 50 companies with deep pockets in the Bitcoin space, miners, hedge funds, capital market institutions, and these are the ones that are known to the public. How many more do you think are there? Drop your number in the comment section of the video. Nothing, and I mean nothing, nada information in my videos are financial advice. They are for education and entertainment purposes only. If you want to be liquidated, skip the video, and good luck. Disclaimer: this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only and is not professional financial advice in any shape or form. Always do your own research, like and subscribe for more content like this.